I already generated more than 1,000 leads with this workflow. My name is Stanley Oba, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So first, we are going to go down to our GoHighLevel sub account. Inside your sub account, you are going to go to your settings. Now, under your settings, you are going to go down to integrations. Now, if you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, the link to sign up to GoHighLevel can be found in the description below. Also, I also made a snapshot for this video for you to get for free inside my paid community. Once you click the link to sign up to GoHighLevel with the link below, you're going to get access into my paid community. Inside there, you're going to get free bonuses and other snapshots, AI snapshot, automation snapshot, workflow snapshots, all for free. So click the link below to sign up to GoHighLevel with my link. Now there are two TikTok integrations that you can see here. One is for lead ads and the other one is for messaging. We're only going to connect for this. So you just click the button connect. Then the lead connector is going to take you to this point for you to log into your TikTok account. If you already have your TikTok account open inside your Chrome or your browser, it will automatically do that for you. But if you don't, it's going to bring up this page for you to log into your TikTok account. So I'm going to use my phone number and email. I'm going to put in this. And it's going to tell me logged in, and that's all. So that's all you have to do. You just have to click the button. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on manage, and then you have to toggle your enable messaging for the account you added or integrated into your GoHighLevel account. You click on enable messaging, and that's all you have to do. Then you close. Next, we have to go back, click back. Now we have to go up to automations, and we have to create new workflow. Click create new workflow, start from scratch. First, we have to add a trigger for the comment. So when they comment a certain keyword, you then send them the message for them to get it in their DM. So right now, TikTok does not really allow you, just like Instagram and Facebook allows you to message them instantly when they comment, but TikTok does not allow you to message them directly. They have to first of all message you, then you can message them back. So first we have to add our comment trigger. You put in your comment trigger, TikTok comments, you add filter, the account, you choose your account, you come over here, you add the content, the phrase. So it's either you put the phrase it contains or the exact match. I like to use the content phrase so that anything they say that's within the bracket of the word I'm telling them to comment, it's equally going to go also. So right here, we're going to put in this. Let's say we tell them to comment the word link. Just like in this video, you're going to comment the word TikTok. Let's say we told them to comment the word TikTok. All right, we come over here, we put TikTok, and we press enter. I also like to put it on brackets just in case. All right, but either one, it works. So you click enter, then you come over here, add filter, you put the post. You have to add the post, the exact post it is. So we can put it to be a custom post or a published post. So many times it's just going to be published post. You click on publish post. So next you add another filter, you click on it, you put post is, and then you select the post, the exact post that you have already posted on your TikTok account where they have to comment the trigger word. So let's just say it's in this post, this one right here. And you can also preview the post right here. Just click on it, then you have to also you can preview it to see which post it actually is, and then you can save the trigger, and that's it. So next we have to add our action. We come over here, we put a reply in comments. Now we have to put the replies. Let's say, hey, send the keyword to my DM. To my DMs. Okay, I add another one just to have a variation. You say, hey, you can add their custom value. Let's say the contact's full name or the contact's name, contact first name. Please send it to the DMs. Okay, So they have to DM you for you to send it to them. Let's just add these two. You can add as many as you want. It doesn't really matter. You can add 50, 100. It doesn't really matter. You can just add 3, which is okay. You can toggle this on, but it's not really applicable to Instagram, so it's only for Facebook. So leave this out. You save action, and that's all you have to do here. Next thing you have to do, you publish. All right, you can publish this from here and you save. Don't forget to add the name of your workflow. Let's save this as TikTok comments trigger word. Okay, so let's save this. Now we go back, we create another workflow. This one goes out when they send you the DM of the trigger word. You can also then send them the freebie or whatever thing they're going to be getting once they comment the keyword, right? You come over here, click another one, you click reply, customer replied. You come over here, customer replied to channel, you select TikTok, you come over, you add another filter, contents phrase, same thing you did there, put in TikTok, press enter. Let's add another one in capital letter, and then any other thing. I think that's all. All right, that's all. So you click save trigger, then over here, this is where you add your CTA. You come over here, TikTok interactive messenger. You click on this. Now this is where you add what you're sending to them. I like to send this in 3 steps so that they can get the link alone. So over here, you can put the link to what you're sending to them. If you're sending them a PDF, it's better you don't tell them to download. You just send them a link where they can download it. So it's really better that way. And over here, I first of all send them, hey. First I'll send them good. Let me send it right now. And then I can put an emoji just to make sure they notice that it's going to be coming next. And I save the action. Then I duplicate this. I copy this action. I paste this here and I put in the link. This is where I put in the link. So I can, let's say, take over here, take one of my links. Let's say I'm sending them to my group. Okay, for them to get for my group. Come over here, I click, I paste this link inside here and I save the action. Over here too, I paste this again and then I tell them what to do. Tell them that's it right there. Copy and paste inside your browser. TikTok does not allow clickable links yet. So this is good. This goes out immediately, they send this. So that's all it is. And then you can save this TikTok reply. TikTok reply DM. Okay, then you publish and then you save. So that's all you have to do here, and that's all. So basically, once you do this, once they reply the keyword and this workflow goes out, and you can also track how many people enrolled in it, and then if it failed, it's going to tell you over here inside the execution log that it failed. And that's exactly how it's done. And also you can get my done for you snapshot of this workflow inside my paid community once you sign up to GoHighLevel with my link below. Once you sign up to GoHighLevel, you are going to get access to other bonuses and access to other AI automation workflows and other snapshots completely for free inside my paid community. So there are lots of bonuses and weekly one-on-one calls that we have inside the community to help everyone scale with their own businesses. So if this sounds like you, click the link below to sign up for GoHighLevel. Also, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.